Join the BingX Christmas Voyage Adventure and win up to 2 million USDT in rewards. Here's how. At the start of the voyage, you'll get 1 to 3 random tasks. Complete any one task to earn 1 dice roll. Roll the dice to move forward. Every space holds a reward. After each roll, you'll get a new set of tasks. Complete the tasks and roll your way across the map. Make it to the end and collect an extra 1 ETH. During the voyage, you'll land on 5 types of spaces. Prize space gives a fixed reward shown on the map. Mystery box space offers a random surprise. Buddy's gift box space gives you 2 gift boxes, one for yourself and one to send to a friend. When your friend joins the voyage, both boxes unlock and you both earn rewards. Boost space moves you forward 1 to 6 spaces. And finally, trap space pulls you back 1 to 6 spaces, so try to avoid it. To add a festive twist, Santa may pop in with perks such as making the tasks easier or giving free dice rolls. Join the voyage today and unwrap your rewards.